Gather around the Richland Black Counter Height Set by Avalon. This solid pine collection has a two-tone distressed gray over a weathered washed black base. These colors will complement any existing dining decor. The round gathering table has large turned legs with extra storage on the two shelves. The four counter chairs have shaped seating and upholstered seats to comfortably accommodate dining and entertainment. The dining table seats four comfortably with its 54-inch tabletop. Along with this collection, you'll find a matching server with door storage and drawers for storage and display. The table measures 54 inches round and has a height of 36 inches. The counter height stool measures 41 inches tall, 20 inches wide, with a depth of 22 inches. The server measures 67 inches wide with a depth of 18 inches and a height of 38.5 inches. Come see it today. You'll see just how unique this collection is and why it will become your favorite.